Good afternoon, gardeners. It's November 6th, and we're at the allotment with DC Beltway Gardener Jr. to clear up all the remaining plant material, get rid of those tomatoes and tomatillos, and we've made progress digging up the sweet potato bed. I got 2 of these rows that you saw me plant several months ago, and out of 1 row so far, we got a laundry basket and a half of these sweet potatoes that I got from the organic food store. That's out of 2 sweet potatoes from the store. DC Beltway Gardener Jr. is excavating these. That's all there is to it. You just free them up, you pull them out of the dirt, and you try to stack them nicely without bruising them, so they can cure, and we'll have a winter's worth of sweet potatoes. His excavation continues. They get pretty deep. We even found them under the walkway. Very hard. They do break sometimes. Maybe next year we'll see a whole bunch come out from what we left behind. This one's stubborn. There is no graceful sweet potato harvesting.
Sometimes.
There we go. There's another one, purple stokes. Until next time, please like and subscribe and let me know how your garden's doing.